Are you gonna hide? No, that shirt? Oh, that shirt. Okay. Are you going to hide in the barn? I still see you. What do you say?
Help, please.
Help, please. Good girl. You gonna put your legs in it? There you go. Mm-hmm. Here, try it this way. Put your arm in that way.
No.
No? Okay, you do it your way then. Yippee.
No.
Would you like help? Okay. Change your mind about the shirt.